Hello everyone, thank you very much for watching our video. Today I would like to show you is this video of once of our farming at traditional farming located in South Kalimantan. So you will enjoy this video for a couple of weeks. So let's divide in and being it be happy for you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, but it's up to you that we just to make this video is more fun and inspirative. Now you would like to see how it's just 4 weeks that we plant rice, traditional rice by traditional technique in South Kalimantan. So you will see it's only 5 weeks or just a month, but several of these plants is growing up into the other, especially that nearly of burning wood that we made before. So the other is so uh, like or down, but the other is growing up. Okay, the technique of making this farming is so conventional, not the other modern ways or made by irrigation or the other technique, but it's still conventional that we make just cutting the wood and then we collect it together and then we make it drying and then to be collected until the month on October or early November we burn it, but actually is in August or September is should be burning, and then we wait until early December and then it's being to be planted, and you'll see so it like this. Its farming is actually not to using other nutrition or the other food for the rice or the other maintenance like we use compost or the others fertilizer, but it's just only we hang on how the land to growing up this plant, especially that you will see here. Sorry for that, I had to make it ready. You will see here is couples of wood. It's like this is function that so much of nutrition for the plant, so it's making growing up into the other. Okay, the area of this plant is not to be large, but it's enough for yeah, maybe 3 or 4 months. So it's making cost low for this food, so it maybe help to the other cost. Okay friends, thank you very much. We will join us to the other videos. I hope you will be inspired for this video and making you being better for see and become life and do work in the other days by being happy. Thank you so much.